Got a great question in my inbox that I think is applicable to more than one person planning their wedding. So let's dive in. I want to do a mini dessert table, cookies, cupcakes, and a bunch of other things. Not sure just yet. But I can't find anywhere what numbers do I buy. One of each per guest, one per guest of the more expensive items, and more of the most cost-effective items like cookies. Any tips? Of course I got tips. When you are doing a dessert table full of mini dessert, you absolutely do not need to do one of each kind per guest. Because it is not a plated dessert that is being dropped at each guest's seat, you can totally play around with the numbers. Now, with mini desserts, the number that I usually like to work with, if you are not encouraging guests to pack them up and take them home, would be 3 to 4 mini desserts per person. You err on the side of 4 and you have 100 guests, that would be 400 mini desserts total. Knowing some guests are going to have 2, some are going to grab 1, some are going to grab none, some are going to grab 5, it always evens itself out. Now, if there's bigger items, you can always get 75% of your guest count of the bigger item and then a ton of different smaller ones in less quantities. But you do not have to do one of each per person per type. That